Why do we need to evolve if we are doing so well? We are doing our best to be great, but we are still supposed to dare more. Why? This is not just about knowing how to do it, it's about challenging ourselves. The world is changing fast, and we are ready for the next step. This is a call to action, to be curious, to look for the next great solution, to work together beyond our horizon. To unlearn and relearn, to get a different mindset. Achieving results is not enough. It's time to embrace change. Going further than our successes. Because evolution is not an option. We are the evolution.